Evening all, this is Priya Mahesh with you for Let's Sell Successfully. We have been seeing what is a living organization, okay? Okay, we saw part 1 and 2, right? Fine. So today we are going to see part 3. So what is part 3 is the secret behind outstanding companies, organizations and contributors is what is their success is their hard work towards adding value to their acts. We also saw what is the act, right? So we are going to add value to our acts, okay? So that is how the companies are completely getting diversified and the sales is picking up. So now we are going to see how to add value to our clients, customers and companies. So what is the secret we are going to learn? The secret behind outstanding companies, organizations, okay, can you see the board? The secret behind adding value to, secret behind outstanding companies, organizations and contributors. What is that? It is their hard work towards adding value to their acts. Okay, again I repeat, this is a very important sales or product marketing, or if you are a business owner, how to win the targets. It's a very major important strategy which is giving life to your acts. I will rather coin this as you give life to your acts. Okay, what is the key to give life to your acts? You have to think different. Okay, you have to work harder. Okay, this is the whole strategy. Living organization, we are going to see part 3 today. Okay, what is giving life to any organization? Giving life to your acts. Okay, so secret behind outstanding companies, contributors and organizations is very simple. It is to work hard towards adding value to your acts. Fine, this we saw. Then what we are going to see? How to add value to your acts, right? Fine. So I had a fine affair with my board whether it's going to falling down. Okay, son, what is the secret behind giving value to your acts? Okay. This also can be broke down into so simplified strategies. It is how to add value to your acts. What is an act? Okay, every sales manager, every salesperson is going to fix an appointment. So how you are going to think different? I am not going to take you to a Pizza Hut strategy rather. Okay, so now I am going to give value to my acts, right? So to make it so visible, because there are so many trainees watching, this is a long pending wish to go for a live cabin presentation. I think the lockdown has made it possible. Thank you so much. In that case, if not the other case, we need to stay home, stay safe, right? Fine. Now there won't be any blemish. So value, what is adding value to your acts? See, everybody is selling. Okay, this is the fact. So there is a lot, you have to understand what is the difference between facts, how to raise these facts to quality acts. Okay, whereby you are fetching the larger market for your products. This strategy is very pivotal one, and it is a winning one, especially in retail sales. You can never fail. Retail sales managers, how many people watching this, can never be failed. The secret behind giving value to your acts is the facts has to be learnt. What is the fact? What is the nature of your product? Where does your product stand in the market? 1, 2, 3, what place your product is standing in the market towards the customers? What is the place the sales have given? Okay, then what is, that is the fact. After learning the fact, what you are going to do, you are turn that fact into a quality act. What is the quality act? In place of placing 100 ads, that one ad should fly like a rocket to pull out the customers towards your site. Okay, that is what is adding value to your acts. Okay. Fine, I am adding value to my board, okay, by cleaning it correctly. A very small act, okay. So how, there are facts. Facts is knowing where our products stand in the market. Okay, this is the learning the fact. Without the knowledge of the fact, you cannot act, or you cannot place an ad, or you cannot transform this into quality acts. What is a quality act? Okay, how to supersede. Everybody sells, how to super sell. Okay, so how to pull maximum market towards your product. Okay, this is turning a fact into the quality act. What is the act? That is a strategy or advertisement or a teamwork whereby you are going to pull maximum number of customers, which is the market, towards your product. Fine. Okay. We learned the fact, okay. To the fact, we gave a quality act to pull out the maximum market towards our product. Then, very important strategy is, we need to give life to your organization. We need to give life to your organization, employee, then marketing, production, and then expectation, creating a successful revolution in positive target completion. So let me write the strategy for you, and also you can find in the description box in YouTube, and also you please visit Let's Sell Successfully Facebook page. There also underneath the video you can find the strategy written over there. So please apply if there are any positive outcomes, not in the COVID results. If there are any positive outcomes in your target completions, kindly get back to me there, or you reach me in my email priya.letsell@gmail.com. that also I will append there. Append is adding there, okay. What we are going to do? We are going to give life to our organization, okay. What is giving life to an organization? We are going to give life to let me clear it out for you in a separate anchoring. Okay, right. Now, giving life to any organization is what? It is giving life to number one what? Employees, team, sales managers, reporting team. So, giving life to employees. Okay, again there is a standard flowchart model. What is giving life to employees? You have to hire quality sales personals in place of 10. That one manager should have the strategy to pull out the market towards you. That is called giving life to the organization. What is the first point in giving life to any organization? Giving life to organization is giving life to employees. What is giving life to employees? That is directly turning the market towards the giving life to the hiring process. Hire quality sales professionals in place of multiple professionals, and you pay them quality incentives, quality salary, quality perks, so that they pull out the quality customers. Nobody is going to work free for you. Okay, the entrepreneurs has to learn this key value. Instead of selecting 10 people, just get 1 or 2 in the team who can grab the market for you in no time, because they know the proper pitching. So the IPL is also on field. How many CSK fans like me? And hi to Tala Dhoni. Okay, so when you present something, okay, the listeners engage the crowd. So you don't go for a drive ultrasound presentation whereby you cannot pull out the result. So proper pitching is very much necessary, like Dhoni did it in the first match. Okay, so CSK always wins. Okay, so proper pitching. Fine. What is the proper pitching from the employee or an entrepreneur? Proper pitching is giving life to employees, which is higher quality sales professionals, 1 in place of 10. Okay. Number 1, quality employees. Giving life to quality employees. What is number 2? Giving life to organization model. How did you give life to an organizational model? How will you fix your sales teams? How many meetings do you conduct? And again, model depends upon the ads, which is product marketing ads. Okay. Retail selling ads. And what is the current trend in this century? We are in the techno world, techno dominated world, and so your digital ads. The digital ads should be crisp, short, attractive. You have to pull the market and the customer towards your product. As the children's, you would say Nutella, so many products are there in the market, right? Maggi, Nutella, something, many things. How they place the ad, that gulab jamun, of all the ads which I love, even though the old one, the Ruchi one. So it's very pleasant ad. That concept should be there. That how many people ran? I got second prize. How many children ran? 2. Okay, it is like that, giving the customer, you are pulling the market. What is your market? That sweet, or you say any type of children toys is your market. So you give value or life to your ad by pulling the right customers towards your product. That is called placing right digital ads. So this is living organization 3. Okay, part 3. Part 1 we saw market, product, etc. Part 2 we had certain clues, and part 3 we are seeing giving life to an organization. What is the strategy? The secret behind outstanding companies, organizations, contributors is that they work harder by adding value to their individual acts, not one act, every individual acts. What is adding value to the act as an entrepreneur or a managing director or a partner or a owner or a president of a company? That is by giving life to your employees. How do you give life to your employees? It should start from the hiring process. Okay, the quality HR team should be there to pull out the quality in people who are coming for the interviews. So hire quality sales professionals, hire few people in place of a crowd. That few should have a larger quality in promoting your product. And then you have to devise a quality model. Give life to your model. What is the model? The ads. What are the ads? They are about your product. Then retail sales ads in your websites, which is, we coin it as digital marketing ads, right? So the set 4 video will be of no board. Okay, the set 4 video will be of no board, but as usual I do the presentations, I will do it so that you can pull out a larger strategy from my presentation. Fine. So what is living organization part 3? What we saw is, we saw the secret behind giving life to organizations, companies, okay, contributors. Contributors is consulting. As a consultant, what you are going to give? The add value to the company which has hired you for maximum sales. So contributors, by working hard and adding value to individual acts. Okay, this complete the living organization perfect model. The secret behind giving life to organizations, companies, contributors is by working hard and adding value to your individual acts. Fine. Then what we saw? What we saw is, how do we add value to an act? How do we add value to your acts? By selecting the right employees. Where does that flowchart go and lead you? In the hiring process. Okay, after the hiring process, what will come? It is training. Everything is over. Okay, you have selected the right employees and you have trained them. What is the other key? Where you are going to add your value to pull out maximum life, that is the profit to your business. You are going to add life to your products. How do you give life to your products? You are going to generate or make quality ads. What is giving quality ads? Crisp, short information in full. Okay. So now It's very clear. Okay, what is giving life to your organization or your act? So this is living organization set 3. There also will be set 3A you can put, or a description for the set 3. I will be having a live interactive one-to-one that is session. I will speak as I do instead of explaining over the board. So what is the key strategy today in living life, giving life to your organization is the secret behind successful organization, companies, contributors is that they add quality life. They work hard and add value to the individual acts. By adding value to the individual acts, we are categorizing our model is adding value to the employees. Adding value to the employees is breaking down into how do we add, that is higher quality sales professionals or quality employees. Then the marker turns, after hiring, it turns to the how do we generate quality product ads and make quality ads crisp, short, information in full. Okay, so happy weekend. If you are watching from UAE or from elsewhere, you have one more day to go for your weekend. Okay, Friday you need to complete. So happy weekend and have a very pleasant evening. Sell smart, spontaneous, strategic, sensible. Priya Mahesh with you, signing off for Let's Sell Successfully in Living Organization Part 3 by Sir Gary Jacobs, the President of the Vice President of the Mother Service Society and also the President of the World Academy of Arts and Science, a very practicing successful management consultant and also a proprietor of the Mira International Consulting Firm. Okay, so this is giving life to the organization part 3. Please apply it and get back to me. Thank you so much.